Good morning, student, to everyone. Today in our English literature, let us take page number 59. Page number 59. Finding our new spring. We have been continuously studying this chapter. In my previous videos, I have given you something from this particular chapter. I hope that you are following the text and videos. Let us take page number 59, last paragraph. So, from previous classes we know that this particular guide has lost his way and the camels have returned back to the same place where they had started, or where they had started their journey. Now, last paragraph is here. In the morning, the travelers realized that they were back at the same spot where they had camped the day before. So, spot same place, they have come back, same place. These travelers have again returned back to the same place where they had started their journey, where they had camped. Camped here means they had camped, they had stayed, where they had stayed, where they had gathered, where they had sheltered. So again they have returned back to the same place. Now what will be their situation? They are facing lot of difficulties, especially the leader is facing lot of problems and difficulties. Next, they lost heart and began to complain about their condition. Lost heart. Became sad, they became sad. They became very sad because they lost their heart. They became very sad and began to complain about their conditions. What was their condition? They had no food, no water, and no any other things, and so it was a very bad condition. First of all, they were feeling hungry and they were feeling thirsty also because they had nothing with them. So it was a very bad situation for them. Next, they had exhausted all their food and water and had nowhere to go. They had exhausted, they had finished. Or had completed, nothing was there with them. They had finished their things, eating things also, and water was also not there. Therefore, it was very difficult situation for them. They had exhausted all their food and water and had nowhere to go. Now, where shall they go? Because this leader brought them back again to the same place. Now it was very difficult situation for them. Next time, they complained to the trader, we can't do anything without water. So they are complaining to the trader, to the main person, that we can do nothing here. We are feeling hungry, we are thirsty, and we have nothing here, and therefore it is very, very difficult for us to remain empty stomach. So now they are complaining, and they have already complained to the trader, we can't do anything without water. See, water is very, very essential. So water is life. We say water is life. Without water, we will die. We cannot survive for single minute. Therefore, water is very, very essential for life. As well as food is also very essential. Water and food are very important for our living. Next page, page number 60. Then the trader thought to himself, if I lose courage now, my leadership has no meaning. So the main person, the leader, the trader is thinking that if I dishearten myself, if I lose my heart, then there is no meaning in our journey. So he is himself consoling, and then he says, I have to put courage, I have to have courage, then only I can lead this whole group of people. Once again, if I lose courage now, my leadership has no meaning. If I begin to complain just like the others, everything will be lost. Since we have made it so far, I must find a solution to this problem. Solution. I must find answer. I must find answer to these problems. So he says,